Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. This video is from our Path to Fluency course, with over 60 videos of useful tips and resources to help advanced students reach actual fluency. For more information, visit our website at ChineseZeroToHero.com. Enjoy this video.
Another great way to listen to Chinese audio is by watching Chinese movies and TV shows on sites like Netflix, 腾讯视频 or QQ Video, Youku, and iQiyi, or by watching user-uploaded content on BillyBilly, which is like YouTube for China. There are many such services in China. They usually share some commonalities. For example, they provide some free content with ads, and these ads can get quite long. The exception is BillyBilly, which does not show any ads. They also allow paid users or VIP to skip ads and also watch some exclusive content in the VIP section. VIP users also receive a limited number of tickets or quan every month to receive some special premium limited access content. Also, these services provide a system for you to drill down to specific content categories by country, by genre, and by year. The words 内地, 国产, and 大陆 refer to mainland China. So in this video, rather than going into what each service provides, I would like to talk about each content category. First, let's start with movies. The most popular movies and TV dramas in China are usually about romance, history, martial arts, or war, although science fiction titles like 流浪地球 2019 are also gaining popularity. As for TV dramas, it's hard to find equivalents to Netflix originals or HBO content. You may come across some historical dramas that you like, especially if you're interested in a particular period of history in China. If you don't know where to start, try 芈月传, which I heard good things about. You can find a lot of documentaries in China across various categories. Such as cuisine, 美食, nature, 自然, and history, 历史, as well as 社会, society, science and technology, 科技, and adventure, 探险. Many of the shows are translated from other languages. You can drill down to only the Chinese content with the filter function that each website offers. CCTV Documentary, which is also available on YouTube, produces a lot of great documentaries. If you don't know where to start, try the culinary show A Bite of China, 舌尖上的中国, which will probably make you hungry. The great thing about interviews, 访谈, and talk shows, or 脱口秀, is that they allow you to listen to long and natural conversations. "康熙来了" is a popular long-running interview show in Taiwan where celebrities are interviewed on stage. "非正式会谈" or informal talks is a copy of the Korean show Non-Summit. It invites Chinese-speaking foreigners around one conference table to talk about current topics. One of my favorite talk shows is 锵锵三人行, where a host and two guests talk about current events in China, often touchy ones. The level of humor and depth is simply unsurpassed. A lot of the variety shows in China are copies of the same shows in Korea, such as 了不起的挑战, which is a spin-off of Infinite Challenge from Korea. And 奔跑吧, Keep Running, is a spin-off of the Korean show Running Man. There are also audition shows like 中国好歌曲, Sing My Song, and 中国好声音, The Voice of China. "天籁之战" is one of my personal favorites. It pits celebrity musicians with regular folks in a musical battle. Viki is a unique video service in that it brings popular movies and TV shows from around the world. It also has a number of shows in Mandarin from mainland China and Taiwan. What makes the website unique is that their subtitles are all contributed and translated by fans. Not the kind of fans that keep you cool, but the fans that root for a particular show. So if you want to watch any show, you can find subtitles in Chinese as well as a handful of other languages. They also offer a handy tool called Learn Mode, which allows you to display subtitles in the original language as well as a translation at the same time. If you click on any Chinese word, you get a machine-translated version of that word in a pop-up. However, because the subtitles are user-contributed one line at a time, the quality and coverage can vary. Often, you find a show that you like, only to discover that they don't have Chinese subtitles or subtitles in English. The coverage of subtitle can vary from show to show and from episode to episode, and from language to language. BillyBilly was originally created for Japanese anime fans in China, but now has grown to be almost like YouTube for China. They allow any registered user to upload content. These users are referred to as up主, or uploaders. You can find content that deals with almost any subject here, although those dealing with animation and gaming are the most popular on this platform. Because at the time of this recording, YouTube is banned in China. A lot of users would copy YouTube content to Bilibili so that they can be viewed in China. This is known as 搬运, or porting. We also run an English learning channel called 英语英雄, English Zero to Hero, here as well. If you are at a loss to which titles to check out, try browsing through the popular titles on 豆瓣电影, or Douban Movies, which is like IMDB for China. Although it's called Douban Movies, they include documentaries and TV shows as well. If you go to the details page of a particular title, you can see movie reviews from average users and critics alike. It also tells you where you can watch this title online. Look for the small box on the top right corner for a list of websites to watch the title online. So these are some of the ways you can enjoy Chinese shows on the internet. Try them out, and I'll see you in the next video.